So, I really like this guy. Technical difficulties was not really technical. It's dining room table difficulties. So, I'm going to be building this Spider-Man Lego set that I literally just got like 30 seconds ago. So, let's take a little look at the box. We have our characters: Venom, Ghost Spider, also known as Spider-Gwen, Aunt May, and Spider-Man. Which, if we look at this box, this looks crazy. It's 604 pieces. That does not look like 604 pieces. But it might as well be if that's what it says. We got this Spider-Man Lego here. We got like an ice cream veil, I think. I don't know. We got like this giant Venom thing and this like Spider-Man thing. I don't know what that is. And we have like Spider-Gwen's little like hoverboard. So on the back of the box, right here, it's off camera, but on the back of the box, it's him bending down, her jumping off of her. She's falling down again with her ice cream. We have Spider-Man's little robot thing, Venom bending down. Well, the Venom robot bending down, then Venom, the real Venom right here, jumping over the veil. Then we got like a web, and then we got like a few pictures here at the bottom. But on the side, we have just a regular side. Other side, it's Venom, Marvel, Lego Spider-Man, and a bunch of other stuff that we don't care about. So, it is now time to open this box. But the question is, how do you proceed in doing the doings of opening these boxes? I think you do, because there's tape up back here. Hold on. I got the scissors, and now let's cut it. Well, I opened the box. That took a little while, but you know, we got everything. The instructions, that's the most important part of everything. We have the stickers, that's kind of important. This is going to be a lot. Like, a lot. Like, a lot. So, we shall start with the instructions. What does it say? Get bag 1. Obviously, because it's the first bag. Rip this thing open. There's 2 extra bags inside of the bag. I don't know what it is. What the heck just happened? Something flew over here. Stuff is falling on the ground. I'm gonna lose pieces. Gotta be careful when you open that stuff, because remember a few seconds ago what just happened. So you gotta be careful with Legos. You could easily lose pieces. So first thing, what do? First bag. First thing, whatever. These. Whoa! How these? How did this happen? How did they turn back? How did they already get built? Let's do this. Aunt May with a little ice cream, strawberry ice cream. It's really funny on the box, like really funny. This is super duper cool. I like it. I love it. I don't like it. I love it. I just love it. And I really like look at the gray hair. There's like wrinkles in it, and then the ice cream is like a little swole. I like that. And don't put me in focus. Wow, something on the back of the shirt on a Lego figure. Wow, that's cool. This, and that's really all it is. Then we're gonna go from small to big. So next is on the box it says Ghost Spider, but from the Miles Morales movie it said Spider-Gwen, so I'm confused. So I'm just gonna call it Spider-Gwen because that's what I'm used to saying. So first, let's take a look at herself, not the I'm not gonna say what it is. So hood, short, back, black pants, regular black pants, the pink eye circle things, and then her little weapon thing, I don't know what it is. Oh no, that piece is flying away. Put you back on. We have like one of those in like the see-through things, but other than that we have the web and then a little white thing there, and that actually goes right here on her hand. And then her hoverboard. There's a little fire in the back. I was actually playing with these toys earlier, and I made this go into someone. I'm not gonna say who. The fire burnt someone. I'm still saying someone. I'm not gonna say who, but we have the little 2 guns here. This is just for decoration. And we have the stickers, 1, 2, and 3. And then we got like the bottom. We have the little pink things. I mean, that's it. We have like a Lego surfboard, but now it's a hoverboard. So let's see her on it. Okay, my phone's at 10%. Look. Okay, next. Look who we have. Whoa, it's Spider-Man robot. First, let's look at Spider-Man. It's a basic Spider-Man Lego. So the basic Spider-Man Lego, little thing on the back, thing on the front, head, a regular Spider-Man Lego. But this is not regular. Look at these feet. So first we got these 2, I'm not good at reviewing things. Get these 2 sharp things, and then we get a hook here and a hook here, and then a little web. And then the back is just, I don't know what the back is supposed to be. This is the first piece I put down. This thing right here is the first piece of this entire set. Even this thing over here, you can't see it though. We have this little web blaster. Oh, it went in. And then we have these little hold on. We have these little ball things that go up, which I personally really like. And then we got the little switches, flip, up and down. I like them. And then nothing's supposed to go there. I saw it there and I'm like, is something supposed to go there? But no. Is it raining? No, it's not raining. Get him! Whoa, that's so cool! Whoa, I'm a crazy YouTuber. Whoa. Yep, put that to the side. And then the thing that took me a long time. Hold on. No, how did he get over there? Pikachu!
Not the chair!
A drone! No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna throw that one. How did it get over here again? Spider-Man! Okay, this is actually a really cool toy. This did not come with the set. And wow, this is the real thing. You can see its little hand. Venom! Whoa, that's as big as the freak. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. Hold on. This thing is actually crazy. You have Venom. Right back. Hold on. As always, the troll. Show you what is popping with the figure. It's just a basic Venom figure. It's really nothing. So it's just a basic black bottom, and then the little face. Look at that. That's creepy. Right? Finish that. It's creepy. Yeah! And then we have the chest, and then the back, and then that's basically all. Then we have the ginormous Venom. This thing took freaking two days, I think. It's not that long, I know. This thing is crazy. Look at the tongue. Look at the freaking tongue. Crazy. And then we have the teeth here. I'm gonna eat you. Venom goes white.
You can make this cow sturdy.
So, I really like this guy. The only thing that's annoying about it is that you cannot bend and unbend the legs like you do in real life. Like this. You can't do that. You can't unbend it. And it looks like it's way bigger than me if I
Make
like.
it break it. No, step on me. No, step on me.
Okay. I had to literally push my chair back. Like, just imagine this as a freaking, like, whole game. That would be freaking scary. Like, you're playing the game, and you're like, no. You're just like, no. No. Why is the cutscene playing? Oh, no. It's gonna fall. It is gonna fall. Wait. Oh, no. The chair fell over. But I made a video in a while, but I got this now. So that's new. That's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Backflip.
But before we go, look at this hand. This was the final hand. The final piece I did was one of the hands. No. This was the final piece. Hi, Luke.
Hi.
How you doing?
Kill it.
I don't.
Easy.
Okay. Shut up. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and below.
Try this on for size, mister.